You watch English videos every day. Podcasts, interviews, movies, YouTube creators. You understand more English than before. Yet when it is time to speak, your mind suddenly freezes. Your sentences become slow, unnatural, or incomplete. And that creates the biggest confusion. If you consume so much English content, why is speaking still difficult? The answer is simple. Most people are not learning English while watching videos. They are only observing it. Watching English can improve listening, but fluency does not come from passive exposure alone. Your brain only improves the skill it practices repeatedly. If you spend months only listening, your listening improves. But speaking requires fast thinking, sentence formation, pronunciation control, and real-time response building. That is why many learners understand English clearly but still struggle during conversations. In this video, you will discover the hidden mistakes people make while consuming English content and the smart method that actually turns videos into real speaking practice. Why passive watching never builds real fluency. One of the biggest mistakes English learners make is confusing exposure with practice. Watching English videos feels productive because you are constantly hearing new words, expressions, and conversations. After some time, you begin understanding more content, and that creates the illusion that fluency is improving automatically. But the real problem appears when you try to speak. Suddenly, your brain slows down. Simple replies take effort. You know the words in your head, yet your mouth cannot produce them naturally. This happens because passive watching trains recognition, not communication. Your brain becomes good at understanding English, but not at creating English. Think about it this way. Watching fitness videos every day will not make your body stronger unless you actually perform the exercises yourself. In the same way, watching English content alone cannot build speaking fluency unless your brain actively participates in the process. Learners spend hours in consuming videos like entertainment. They listen carefully, enjoy the content, and move to the next video without interacting with the language at all. No repetition. No speaking practice. No sentence creation. As a result, the brain stays in observation mode instead of speaking mode. Another major issue is depending heavily on subtitles in the native language. The moment your brain starts translating every sentence, speaking speed becomes slower. During conversations, your mind keeps searching for translations instead of responding naturally in English. This is why many learners can understand long English videos comfortably but still struggle to answer simple questions quickly. Real improvement starts when watching becomes active learning. Active learners pause videos and repeat sentences aloud. They copy pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and emotional tone. They pay attention to how native speakers connect words naturally in real conversations. That small shift changes everything. Instead of training your brain only to understand English, you finally start training it to speak English confidently and naturally. The hidden mistakes people make while watching English content. Most learners believe the more English content they consume, the faster they will become fluent. But what actually matters is not the amount of content you watch. It is the way you watch it. One of the biggest mistakes people make is consuming content passively for long hours without any speaking involvement. They keep watching video after video hoping fluency will eventually appear naturally. But the brain does not develop speaking ability through silent observation alone. Another common mistake is choosing content that is far above their current level. Many learners watch extremely fast podcasts, advanced interviews, or complicated documentaries because they think difficult content will improve them faster. Instead, the brain becomes overwhelmed trying to understand everything. When content feels confusing most of the time, your attention goes entirely into decoding meaning. You stop noticing sentence structure, pronunciation patterns, and natural speaking flow. And those are the exact things that improve fluency. Some learners also focus heavily on vocabulary collection. They write hundreds of difficult words in notebooks but never use them in speaking. As a result, those words remain passive knowledge instead of becoming part of natural communication. Another dangerous habit is relying completely on subtitles in the native language. This trains the brain to connect English with translation instead of direct understanding. Later during conversations, your mind keeps searching for equivalent words from the native language before forming responses in English. That is why speaking feels delayed and mentally exhausting. Many people also keep switching between random videos every few minutes. One podcast, then a reel, then a movie clip, then another creator. This destroys deep learning because the brain never spends enough time absorbing one speaking style properly. Smart learners do the opposite. They choose clear and understandable English content. They focus on fewer videos with deeper attention. They repeat useful speaking patterns multiple times and actively interact with the language. And that is when videos finally start becoming a tool for fluency instead of just entertainment. How to copy speaking patterns the right way. One reason children learn languages faster than adults is because they naturally copy patterns. They do not study complicated grammar rules first. They listen, observe, imitate, and repeat what they hear again and again. Fluent English speakers develop in a very similar way. Most learners focus only on individual words, but real fluency comes from mastering speaking patterns. Native speakers do not create every sentence from zero during conversations. Their brain uses familiar structures, expressions, and rhythm automatically. That is why copying patterns correctly can transform your speaking speed and confidence. But most people imitate English in the wrong way. They try memorizing difficult vocabulary or long formal sentences that rarely appear in real conversations. As a result, their speaking sounds robotic and unnatural. Real communication is built from simple patterns repeated naturally in different situations. For example, native speakers often use structures like, "The problem is," "What I realized was," "It depends on," or "The reason is." These small patterns appear constantly in daily conversations. When you repeatedly copy and practice these structures aloud, your brain starts storing them as ready-made speaking blocks. Later during conversations, you no longer need to translate every word from your native language. The sentence begins forming automatically. Another important thing learners ignore is rhythm and pronunciation flow. Fluent English is not only about correct words. It is also about how words connect smoothly. Native speakers shorten sounds, connect phrases, change stress naturally, and speak with emotion. If you only memorize text without copying delivery, your English may sound stiff even with correct grammar. This is why shadowing is extremely powerful. Shadowing means listening to a speaker and repeating immediately with the same speed, tone, energy, and pronunciation style. At first, it feels difficult, but over time your brain adapts to natural English flow automatically. And slowly, you stop sounding like someone translating English. You start sounding like someone actually thinking and communicating in English naturally. The smart video learning method that actually builds fluency. If you truly want English videos to improve your speaking, you need to stop watching like a consumer and start training like a speaker. The smartest learners follow a very different approach. Instead of watching endless random content for hours, they choose short and understandable videos with clear speaking styles. One good 3-minute clip practiced properly can improve fluency more than watching 50 random videos passively. The process is simple but powerful. First, watch a small section without subtitles and focus only on understanding the main idea. Do not panic if you miss a few words. Train your brain to understand meaning directly from context instead of depending on translation. Then watch the same section carefully. This time notice how the speaker forms sentences, where they pause, how they connect words, and which expressions appear repeatedly. After that comes the most important step. Pause the video and repeat the sentences aloud exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation, rhythm, energy, and emotional tone. This is where passive listening transforms into active speaking practice. Next, try using the same speaking pattern with your own ideas. For example, if the speaker says, "The biggest mistake people make is," create 3 new sentences using that same structure. This trains your brain to use English actively instead of only recognizing it. Another important rule is consistency over intensity. Many learners practice for 3 hours one day and then stop for a week. But fluency develops faster through small daily repetition. Even 20 focused minutes every day can create major improvement if the practice is active. And most importantly, stop measuring progress only by how much English you understand. Real fluency is measured by how naturally and confidently you can express your own thoughts without constant hesitation or translation. Because in the end, English is not a subject you watch. It is a skill you train. Most people believe watching more English content will automatically make them fluent. But fluency does not come from passive watching alone. It comes from active speaking practice. Your brain improves the skill it trains repeatedly. If you only listen, you become better at understanding English. But when you actively repeat, copy speaking patterns, and think directly in English, your speaking starts improving naturally. That is the real difference between learners who stay stuck for years and learners who become fluent confidently. English videos can become one of the most powerful tools for fluency, but only when you stop watching passively and start training actively. If this changed the way you see your English, consider hitting subscribe and staying connected for more. If you found this helpful, a like really supports the content and helps it reach more people. You can share this with someone who understands English but still struggles to speak naturally. Try writing one simple sentence in English in the comments, without translating, just your thoughts. If you want to keep improving step by step, turn on the bell icon so you do not miss what comes next. Thank you for watching and putting in the effort to improve.